Number 11. The length of one side of square M is 6 times the length of one side of square N. The area of square N is 49 square feet. What is the area in square feet of square M? I feel like this is a riddle. We need to do a little writing here. So, yeah, just pretend like I didn't already do that problem one time. The audio wasn't working, so I have to redo it. I am going to use my official MS Paint program to jot this one out. So I have a square M. One side of it is 6 times the length of one side of square N. So here's N. I'm going to call it side X because we don't know it. And M is 6 times that size. So it's a lot bigger. I tried to draw it bigger, but it's not to scale. And then we're looking at area. So area of a square, length times width. On a square, they're the same. So x times x is x squared. And it says the area of square N is 49. If we take the square root of both sides, that gives me x is 7. Okay, so back to square M. If x is 7, then M is 6 times 7. Oh, God. Which is 42. Okay, now remember, that is not our area. What's similar to 42? Oh, my God. So, each side is 42. And that means 42 times 42, or 42 squared. Oh no, my battery. Ooh, I better plug that in.
You're in danger.
Thanks, Owen. So 42 squared is going to be our area. I will then go back over here to get that calculation. I don't feel like doing it by hand. 42 squared, or 42 times 44, is 1,764, which is A. Okay, moving on to number 12. Which quadratic equation has exactly one distinct real solution? Well, this is definitely a Desmos calculator kind of situation. So I'm going to enter in each one of these. Okay, when I put in A, oh, I see a solution. Let's zoom out, 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 out. That is the only solution that I see. Okay, so it kind of looks like that's going to be our answer, but let's just double check the others. How about x plus 15 squared equals negative 45? And I'm going to turn off this first one. Okay, there we go. So we have, I don't see a line. There's no line. And if we notice, if we took the square root of both sides, this would give us an imaginary, which means we have an imaginary solution. That's not going to work. Hit that home button to get our graph back into the normal coordinates, to the origin. And let's do answer choice C. Now again, if you are on the real test, you don't have to sit and go through all of these. But if you're kind of unsure of your answer, you can go ahead and do it. Well, I see an answer. Oh, I see two answers. So that's not going to be it. We're looking for something with just one answer. Let's try this one. Equals 135. Oh, two solutions. So that's not it either. We go back to A. A is going to be our answer with that one real solution.